Hello YouTubers, my name is Himanshu. So like in the previous video, we have learned that how to open a Chrome browser using Selenium. So in this video, we will be covering that how to navigate from one URL to the next URL or to the new URL and coming back to it. So to the first URL, and like we will learn how to close the browser, and in between like we will like I will show you that how to wait uh, in Selenium. So I'll be applying the thread dot sleep wait. I know it is not best technique to uh, for the waiting purpose to provide some kind of wait, but yeah, for the simple for learning purposes, it will be a like better approach. So uh, just going forward from the previous video which we have left. So we need to like we have already opened a Google browser in it. So in this video we will uh, cover one more method, that is driver.navigate. So navigate is a method in Selenium which is also used to uh, go to a URL. So in this there is a one more method in navigate, that is to. So in that too we need a URL, that in which URL we want to go. So suppose from Google I want to go to the Yahoo page. So just www.yahoo.com. So uh, and from the Yahoo I just want to come to Google page up, like the first page. So there is a that navigate and that dot back. So there is a method navigate dot back. So in this method, like it will return to the first URL itself. And for the closing purpose, for the closing of the browser, there is a method that driver dot close. So it will close the browser. So if I can run this code, so just run as Java application. So like it has started execution, opens a web browser like Chrome browser. It is like opening the Chrome Google page. It will maximize now. Yes, and it will go Yahoo page, and it will come to the Google page and it will close. So it is waiting for the loading of the Yahoo page. Okay, so it is loading. It has opened the home page of Yahoo. Okay, so I think that it is while coming back to the Google page, it closes the browser. So it is not getting visible. So for that, if we want to get it visible, so there is a we can wait for some time. So we can provide a static wait, that is like not preferable. It is not a like good technique to provide a waiting. So but yes, we can provide. So actually we need to like it. So yeah, whenever we are playing thread sleep, so it is asking for that it is a unhandled exception. So we need to provide the exception handling techniques in it. So we can like for the being sake, we can add the those declaration in it. So we have added a interpreter exception, and so it will wait for some time. So control like shift dot home, it will select the whole row, just copy it and just paste it here. So now it will wait for some time. So let's running it again, so that you can see that it is opening the back Google browser again. Execution has been started. Okay, it has opened the browser. It will open a Google page. It will maximize the window. It is going to the Yahoo page. Okay, it will wait for 1 second after loading. So that you can see that this area is blank. So it will load some like content from here. Okay, after loading it will go to the like first URL. Okay, the oh so after going to the Google, it closes the browser. So here like we have seen that how to apply a simple wait technique, how to close the browser, and how to navigate to different like URLs. So for uh, I am for this video, like we have covered this much scenario, this much cases. So in the future videos I'll be covering some more functionalities of the Selenium. So as of now, uh, keep safe, keep at home only during this lockdown period. So in future I'll be covering more videos. So thank you guys. So if you like this video, please press the like button, and if you like that, please subscribe for the future videos. Thank you.